my dear students, in this video let us learn how we can create a database, use the database, and if required, how to delete a database. So to create a database, the syntax that we have to follow is create database, and after that write the name of your database. Let's say the name of my database is Bytes coders. So it's done, and finally remember to put the semicolon. That's it. Now I'll press enter and it says query OK, which means that this database has been successfully created. Let's see if it exists or not. To see the databases, type show databases. That's it. Put a semicolon, press enter. Now see, you can check here that it says Bytes coders, the one which I just created, okay, along with some of the other databases which I have previously created. So the show database command is used to display the databases that exist in your system. That's it. So after you have created a database, in order to work on it, or if you have to create tables inside the database, so the command which we will be using is use, after that write the name of your database. Here it is, Bytes coders, which one I'm going to use. Now if I press enter, it says that database changed. It means that now we are currently using this particular database. Here I would like to add something, that even if you have created the database, but if you will not write the use command and if you try to create a table, then the table won't be created and it would show you an error that no database has been selected. Okay, so please remember to use the database if you have to create a table or work on any table. Okay, so that's it. And the last command which I'm going to show you for a database is how to delete any database. So let's say here's a database named computer course which I'm going to delete. So what I have to write is drop. So drop means delete. So drop database computer course. That's it. Query OK. If you again check the databases, then see that one is gone. So that's how you delete a database. Okay, so that's it. These are the database commands. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can create a table inside a database.